All right, this is the Underground Podcast. Today is a very sad day. There's been flooding in Accra. You know, a lot of people have lost properties. Niraba arziki chanya pam. So like to awama katabuan to share. You know, zanti one or two zanti nyeri and chansha. So la flood ma, how do you guys see it? Like, what's the major cause of the flood?
Well, actually, I feel like I came across a video ka man so ku tar bar Dumelo so John Dumelo
Yeah.
abon. Yeah, so the man opanyala MP, I think he's now into politics. So ko kana o kana ni man ma kon what shows that like he cares about the people.
Right. He was
Mummy o
showing
party,
concern.
yeah, that's not it. But when someone so nang vyalianga apa arome. So kan kunya do man ku year with like na so yisilin taro zo karang mala like ngunin chaka sa malu na be ngunin chaka. But one thing people should know is that ka governance tahal is nature.
Right.
So flow di nang lalama buko yen right now like wala ko yen size.
And yeah, nature, ma, I agree on that because kaso mboesa ko mira.
Yeah.
You understand? Sanya la naong dahma
I'm able to
naong.
bone the sao.
Kasa so ngumi mo. So so nature yeah, you understand?
Yep.
But I feel like it's some of the contractors before. So the reason why I said that is that Tamala new site, polo you could a new site. There's something that you like demarcation, like be like your side plan, polo mean like lawima. There's something that people don't really pay attention. And I feel like back in the days, that is something like Ben Shaban Nambala but ye pala ven yalanga, but ye gota pala ven yalanga. Baby ye gota pala ven yalanga, like gota, but ye live in yalanga, but contractors ma, but non buntu like putum to mama sham. Do you understand? Because when to reward so contract, then the tuno tum to mama sham ma kala ko in tumle. Oba and bango non sham managing but you profit from then. But at the end of the day, Ghana Zaka area ma be Ghana Zaka as on the non the risk ma. Because when shanga no ali good ma, it's way small. This is a crab because one of the shimmy probably come on quality.
Okay.
Pola kamba bwana be feeling le on quality ka shab mi ba mai te pa wumle o ko mi kama wula palle dirlan yanga be polo ko dale gota dirlan yanga ko swala mo still ko dale because din ya Accra ka Accra konko but things your Accra e to akati yarma so m feel kama wula like ka government fault nyele but the man like kama like ko hanama ne contractors before tinye ka ngoma zata na ne bamiya because so gba ko miya yiri ka komi ko swele mbon to kunye videos la ko miya tam ko swele mazo ka kom te dira ka kohra. I feel bad. I'm not supporting. I'm not happy about what happened. Yeah, I'm not really happy about what happened. Like, but yama kuzana yelma ayarma.
Yeah, I get it.
I think that we shouldn't base it off on fault ma kwabma be demarcation ma kunku. Anya tram nisal na mama tamala problem. What is our problem? Anya sa shanga sare sa shanga dem be kwamane kara jirle chen ma. The konko yan wa na kama de at least hale waterways ma e bien gota na mi bien. Baka sar ma bien sar na ma yin chang ti choku gota ma. Akwama blan to dwell gota ma.
Game bola re mama swele.
Right? Kabor mama swele so as ni sel na ma de nang kat be yina into behavior come on yourself. That's where the problem is because I nyela su kasa mira goes on sa yina exactly. Where's the water going
the
to?
general tangar main pa share so share the to ko karno rutuno garma.
So to go to the ma, I feel like because anya circle go down, but you're going to a point that it would have been enough to be able to carry the water.
Like, yes,
but
the
sarma, so
Right.
where are we heading to as a country, as people?
So the thing is that I think we shouldn't come out here to we shouldn't just blame politicians. Every
no,
little thing
it's total
politicians.
wrong.
Right.
Because a point mark clearly shows that the fault mark half of it is coming from we the human beings. Like
Yeah.
to the non because why would you even drop trash in a gutter?
Right.
Come swallow balama. So sana me the kutocha sherpulu.
Yeah, they block them.
Yeah, you understand.
Right,
So
right.
definitely, like I don't know what they
But
want.
also we need to blame the government.
Yep.
In part,
Mhm.
wula zokan yella. Banning holders of the law.
Mhm.
Abang ebo.
Right.
So bin yer shanga biana kat tene to na asini salma. Kama muskini yelma. Fuel bl kam the one na ngas kwale.
Mhm.
Ka switch on to me yil tam de zo.
Mhm.
Recently, 2 months ago, tinya bin chang Ramsar site, to kunyer won the nearby year.
Right.
Bikala.
Mhm.
The government should be proactive in doing that. Ti ku chang kaman bi ku chang functionally. To surveil le karnya yi shanga tam la ko so zo.
Yeah.
They should demolish it.
Yeah.
Abang bu bami chang no bi an yisla nearby shapulo. Kar kunya mbaya maya government ya
To
kaza
to nisal
kana.
na me binyar lala.
Right.
When they start to work, see, I'm
NDC
in
kana
a-
ti yisiti.
Party,
Tibela
no,
and vote
look at
here.
what they did to my house. Come on, probably you were being warned
Right.
before, kana, but
Koswal
still,
and
can
Balama.
yes.
So, certain things, they need to be blamed at the end of the day. I mean, blame Mark
And what Muski was saying, ma, contractor shaba malterma. Yes, bupambian bupchimserlame. And I will blame the politicians to ban their contracts, ma, because they need to follow up to check the project. Do you get what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Yes, because if
Like,
you follow up,
for me-
then
for me-
then
For me, I'm not
start over
blaming.
again.
I'm not blaming anybody, but I'm blaming like contractor Shaban and the Gota and Mam in Palama in Yarma
That's
because
what I'm saying.
they need to. Biku and command biku non plan site dinye new site new area from Pale. There's no way kabe nkabe yihero Gota and swear be pala. You understand? So ben yirma, you have to stand on that and government to know bazan the zo come on hula. Polo ngo de bokwara so bo mierment metele. Do you understand?
Yep.
Bananama ban supporti like Accra nungla choke. We all understand. But I don't choke ma. Then affected the ma.
So, yeah, we think that currently,
Mm-hmm.
should the government come in and support the people who have lost properties, who have lost their livelihood through it, man?
Yeah, 100%.
He
He-
can solve everything.
But he has to do.
No, has to.
He has to.
He can-
Listen,
He
listen.
can only
There's
sympathize.
every country,
Listen.
every country.
He can
Listen,
only sympathize.
listen.
But
Sympathize with
Okuko
Listen,
Song Bazaar.
no, on toy because we've seen it different countries. There are times that Shapuru to flood, Haiti Kala La Arma in Ghana. Different countries can actually like donate to countries in Zobakong. No, so what are you going to call this? No, wait, Tosa, what are you going to call it? Ghana? Tell me the hurricane, but they don't know the
president can
Ghana.
only sympathize.
Listen, they don't know the Ghana, but don't know Shamu. Zach, I'm so sad to extend that like right now they are not even going to find all the bodies. They are
Right.
going to find the bodies like after 1 month, 2 months later. Because Koma is the Shapchang.
It's possible. It's possible.
You understand?
And I'm a benchal. I think they should demolish Yilishanga. I'll get roasted for this, but
No.
that's the truth.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Yilishanga Anto Chan Accra Fon Shanga Ben Kain Chokwana Shell, eh?
Mhm.
How motokutu.
Karinya actually so living room.
Yes. Ntupuli you so veranda.
Accra is
And they
choke.
feel like, oh, it's Zongo life, baby, and shout.
It's just choke.
You get,
it's,
but
it's really choke.
let's say now come to catch you to Abiao. Those crowded places, ma, be
Yeah.
lala rooms, ma. Let's assume there's a fire outbreak or something.
There's fire.
What-
Didn't you
what-
see the
There was a
video?
fire
There was a
yesterday.
fire.
Yeah, so far,
How will
what-
the
what's
car
gonna
even
happen?
walk?
How your Polaka fire service truck?
Helicopter kabla and you say chibu mabe.
So it's very disheartening. Anya needs as Ghanaians,
like,
TB change it to ways and the way we do things.
yeah,
Because at this age in our country, ma, at where our country is, 60 years after independence, and we are still, where we are, ma.
yeah.
Anya videos of Kwama Minda
So sad.
it feels like a country in the 70s.
Yeah.
It's
This is
actually
2026,
Mhm.
It's actually
and we are
bad.
still dealing with this. It's
Mhm.
it's disheartening.
And
Good-
also I saw
Yeah,
a video and
very
then it's
disheartening.
like every year come every year come out increase me. Every year. Because every year we have like every year
yeah.
they know
I'm
them.
not gonna
But
lie.
this is the highest
I
one.
didn't even
So
know there
I
was
hope-
some-
I hope
like that.
next year I pray that they like to Sora now because we can't just say anything bad now.
Right.
Yeah.
Just praying that it doesn't happen again. So imagine this just happening. Then the second one, how is it going to be?
So yeah, I mean, we can only say what we think is right, right, and then allow the people in the comment section to also give us their one or two thoughts at the end of the day. But my final words is that the government should at least come out and try to assist the people who were displaced.
Yeah.
That is Shabdan, they have lost everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Abang, and not 100%, but just set them up with something small for them to start over again.
Yeah.
I feel
Because,
sorry
Charlie,
for them.
It's
I
disheartening.
really feel bad.
It's disheartening. Final words, you too.
Well, I don't have much to say, and
Mm.
I feel bad for victims, Mazasa,
No.
but sometimes we have to think twice before doing some things too.
Right.
Yeah. So, I'll check up President Yulubanini.
They don't kunya.
I actually have nothing to say. I
Okay,
already said it
alright.
all.
Well, Mami, Akuyunda, this is the Underground Podcast. This episode was sponsored by Pram Logistics and Shipping. My bought loan from Samantha, whatever you want, electronics, shingafa,
All
we
type of
supply.
cars. Loro
Yeah.
come out. So, Paul, hali tamale ya yema, but bega na ya yema.
Jito yo.
No, kad.
Understand?
Wenye-
Understand yet tamale
No, tamale ya ye loro shall that ben. So, loro palaman pa yin, Audi, be Audi. How do you call it? This is any latest car you
They don't
want. We
kunya them.
to ship na.
Straight up.
Ya yema dun chaya.